research and development of intelligent system. Fault automatic alarm accurately displays the source of faults for fast troubleshooting. The rivet piercing station adopts vibrating disc to feed rivets automatically, connected to the nail threading mechanism by a transparent pipeline, guided by a cylinder guide mechanism, to achieve fast and stable piercing of nails. The riveting station adopts a large bore cylinder for riveting, high speed, high precision, and reliable quality. Finished products are taken out by means of pneumatic cylinders and clamps. Light sensor detection ensures smooth removal of each product. Capacity 12 to 15 pieces per minute.